Discover might be one of the most beginner-friendly credit card issuer in the United States. And Discover It Cashback is one of the best no annual fee credit cards in my opinion. Let me explain. Whenever I'm applying for a new credit card, there's always this voice in the back of my head saying, should I really apply for this card? Would I get approved? What if I don't get approved and end up with an extra hard inquiry on my credit file without any reason? Right now, I have a pretty decent credit score, so an extra hard inquiry or two is not going to significantly harm my account. But if you are a beginner, it might hurt your credit score quite a bit. This is where Discover comes in. It has this pre-approval feature which lets you see if you are pre-approved for a credit card offer. Best thing about this is there is no impact to your credit to check. Okay, so let me try this feature myself. As you can see, it says pre-approval with no impact to credit. Let me put this info. It's loading. And boom, I was pre-approved for one of the best credit card that Discover has to offer, the Discover It Cashback. Now, let me tell you why this card is one of the best credit cards. First of all, this card does not have a traditional welcome offer. What it has is cashback match. Now, this is more of a Discover feature rather than this card itself, but what it is Discover will match all the cashback you have earned at the end of your first year automatically. There's no sign up and there is no limit on how much it is matched. So if you are a crazy high spender and got like $500 worth of cashback, Discover will literally match it dollar for dollar and you will basically double your cashback. Essentially what this means is in the first year, all the cashback earning categories will be double of what it's supposed to be. Speaking of which, this card has 5% cashback at different places each quarter up to a quarterly maximum of $1,500. Now keep in mind, you do have to activate this. These are its quarterly categories for the entire year. Unlike other cards with quarterly categories, Discover reveals its categories for the entire year. So that way you can plan ahead. And I'm going to be honest, Discover always has a very useful categories more than the others. So essentially you will be earning 10% cashback on these categories during the first year of your account opening. Not bad at all. Not only that, it also has 1% unlimited cashback on all other purchases. To top it all off, it also has 0% intro APR for 15 months. And all of that is just for $0 annual fee. Okay, let's say you weren't approved for this card. Discover has a card for you at any stage of your life. Let's say you are a student. Discover has Discover It Student Cashback. If you are not a student but you're just starting to build a credit, it has Discover It Secure Credit Card. If you use your card regularly and pay your balance in full, after 6 months or so, if you ask to product change from student or secure card to a regular Discover It Cashback card, Discover will happily do it for you. Sometimes they will even call or send you an email to let you know that you qualify for the upgrade. For all those reasons, I think the Discover is one of the best credit card issuer on the United States. Thank you for watching.